Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And let me turn off this light so I can show you the radio that I'm demonstrating today. This is an AM radio out of a 1966 Oldsmobile 442. This comes from Ron, who is actually a local customer. It's a rare pleasure to actually be able to meet a customer in person. And incidentally, for any customers local to Central Arizona that are considering using my services, you are welcome to come by and drop your unit off. I do not touch cars under any circumstances. I do not do anything with the customer's car. I'm strictly a bench technician. Anything having to do with car is your baby. So let's get that out of the way, and let's go ahead and continue testing this radio. This has had just a basic modern conversion done, so it has FM, stereo, 180 watt peak output over 4 speakers. So let's go ahead and turn her on. You got it set to FM.
Is bringing pro and amateur MMA fights to the Findlay Toyota Center in Prescott Valley on Saturday, April 4th.
Okay, let's run her down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
5 charges of rape and assault in the case that Weinstein was guilty of.
December 21st. Have no responsibilities there. I try.
Answer auto glass claims calls.
But when you bring somebody in,
on AM 1600 and 96.3 FM KYBC.
26 grand.
Know what it's like to be.
Is keeping you connected.
With the top down, screaming money in it.
It's that hot girl bummer anthem. Turn it up and.
First time he's going to let the big banks once again.
Coming to. I tell you what.
One randomness that's so awkward.
College grad and military rebate must be.
She's taking my heart.
Okay, so there's our FM receptions. Now we're going to make sure the AM works. To switch between AM and FM, we turn the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Now we're on AM.
I went to the big guys for the month.
And I get 3 stations in my area. There's 1, 2, and the third one, you're going to hear some hum because it's next to a power line.
Obviously, especially I saw some of the comments that he...
Okay, so there's our FM. We can go back to AM. Okay, now we're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. Since this was a mono radio originally, it did not have a left-right balance control or a front-rear fader. Now it has both, and they're both in this tone control. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to activate the left-right. Turn the volume down accidentally there. Okay, I'm going to activate the front rear fader. We do that by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So as you can see now, I'm rotating it to about the center, so I've got room to turn in both directions. I'm going to turn this twice to the right. Let's bring our output level meters to the picture. Okay, we're going to activate our virtual front rear fader. Here we go.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. Okay, so now this same control is adjusting the front rear speaker balance. You adjust it as long as you want, and then after you stop adjusting it, it'll wait about 2 seconds, and then
Fader set.
Fader set, okay. I jumped again. Okay, now we'll do the left-right balance. Same procedure, except we turn this control twice to the left to activate it. So here we go.
Balance adjust.
Okay, balance adjust. So now this same control is adjusting the left-right balance. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers. I'm going to stop adjusting it.
Balance set.
Balance set. Okay, now that all that setting has been saved, now you can return this tone control to how you like it to sound.
He comes alive at midnight.
Okay, there's just a couple more things to test. We've got to test the dial light. You can see that dial light coming on and off. You can see it out the back there. Let's get rid of these meters and check our aux input real quick. Just going to feed a quick tone into it, make sure it switches over. One side, other side. And now the radio is going to wait 20 seconds before it comes back on. And that's due to a Vox circuit that holds on to that aux input a little longer than it really needs to, just to make sure it's not constantly switching back and forth between radio and aux, between songs and during quiet music passages. So the radio should be coming back just about any second now. And there she is. Okay, and that's it. Everything is working. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. It's Friday, so who knows what I'm going to be doing next. Okay, once again, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and another unit that's just a radio. They don't always have to have an 8-track. I also work on just radio units. My website is in the description below. You've just seen what I can do to a classic car AM radio, and my phone number for paying repair work only, not to try to find belts, parts, or free advice, is 928-533-9666. For those looking for free repair advice, there are plenty of hobbyists looking to show off their knowledge. You don't call the guy who's constantly got 50 jobs in the shop with deadlines to meet for free advice. You don't call me for those reasons. You call me if you have a unit to send in for repair, and that's the only reason you call me, unless you have a unit in the shop that's past its deadline. Okay, folks, thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you next time.